a project of Excelabs. Health on Wheels is a unique initiative by Excelabs, the first of its kind in Pakistan. Under this initiative, a custom-built mobile health unit has been developed to cater to the occupational health needs of industries across the country. This state-of-the-art mobile health unit contains a wide array of services otherwise unavailable outside of major urban areas. This unit can evaluate hundreds of factory workers and employees a day, anywhere in Pakistan. All services are provided by members of our onboard technical teams and medical officers. We offer blood tests, which are shipped in temperature-controlled containers to our main lab in Islamabad. Excel lab tests are performed by trained technologists on state-of-the-art equipment and reviewed by trained pathologists. Pulmonary function tests. Digital X-rays using Japanese equipment. Top-quality ECG. Physical exams and eye tests. Audiometry and hearing tests conducted in our state-of-the-art built-in soundproof room. Our highly advanced digital information systems allow medical information and results to be sent, tracked and monitored anywhere across the country at very fast speeds. Excelabs, a quality service provider since 1991, is now taking its services right to the doorsteps of industries across Pakistan. We can help save you time, optimize efficiency, and most importantly, help you maintain a healthy and happy workforce. Leadership through innovation.